Hello everybody, I'm David Labby from BeaverPress. In this video, I'm going to give you a sneak peek of a new update for Themer templates. This update will be 1.1 and I hope to have it released within a few days. I'm still doing a few more testing and refinements to it, but everything looks good as planned. So what this update will allow you to do is edit and create posts from within the front end of your website. So let's get started and I'll show you how this works. Up here in the admin bar, you'll see a tab here called Themer Templates. When that opens up, you'll see New and Edit options. Let's select New. So we're going to create a new page. When you select New, you'll see your post types drop down. You have Post and Page. If you have any other custom post types installed, it will show here as well. So let's go ahead and select Page. And what opens up, we're still on the front end of the website. What opens up here is a pop-up, and it gives you the option to create a new page. These are the same, or some of the same features that you'll see on the admin side, but they are now available on the front side. So let's go ahead and just create a product page. Product, and we'll paste in some dummy text. We'll leave the parent page as normal. We'll choose a Themer layout. Again, if you are familiar with Themer templates, you'll know that it allows you to choose a Themer layout on the fly. So let's go ahead and choose a large featured image Themer layout. We'll leave the order as is. We'll choose a featured image. We'll select that. And we're going to go ahead and create the page. And what happens here is the page will reload and take you to the new page that you just created. Now with update 1.1, it'll also allow you to edit a current page. So if you go up here in the Themer templates again, in the drop down, you'll see a edit option. You click edit. Again, you'll get the model pop-up and it gives you an option to edit the page. And you'll see here also, now that we have created a page, you can also edit your permalink. So let's just go ahead and let's just change the name to product one. We'll just go ahead and just change this to product. Product one. Oh, I can't type. Product one. Okay. We'll just leave that as is. We'll just shorten the text a little bit for demonstration purposes here. We'll leave the parent as is. Template, let's go ahead and change the template. Let's go ahead and add a full width featured image template or a Themer layout. And we'll just leave the featured image as is as well. Let's go ahead and update, and what all it's going to do is reload the page with your updates intact. As you can see, product one up here in the address bar here, you'll see that the permalink has changed as well, and the text has been shortened. So everything's just been updated. So that gives you the option to edit and create new post. Now with Themer Templates 1.1, you're also going to be able to integrate with other third-party plugins. As at this time, and with the release of 1.1, you're going to be able to integrate with Wallace Inline and advanced custom fields. So let me show you how Wallace Inline works first. So if you're not familiar with Wallace Inline Editor, it allows you to edit and make simple changes to your page without having to open up Beaver Builder. So it's great for like clients or yourself if you want to make simple edits. So let me show you how this works or activate it for Themer templates. We're going to go into our admin, and on our settings page, you'll see a tab here for integration, and it will be Wallace Inline. If you have Wallace Inline plugin active or installed, you'll see this option. If you don't, you won't see this option. Let's go ahead and enable it. Save it. Let's go ahead back to our product page. Just go ahead and reload. Now it'll work when you create a new post and edit a page. So let's just go ahead and edit this page. And let's just call this product one. Let's just go ahead and make it simple. Let's go back to product. And we'll just do that. We'll just go ahead and update the page. And when the page reloads, it will activate Wallace Inline on the fly for you. So you can go ahead and make changes here as well. So let's click done and publish. It will also, trying to exit out of Wallace Inline. So let's go ahead and create a new page, and it works in the same manner. So we're going to call this, let's call it product 2. Let's just paste in some dummy text. Do this rather quickly. And throw in an image, create page. And when the new page opens, Wallace Inline will be active and ready to make edits. So that's how that works. Pretty simple, pretty easy. So let's go ahead and check out the other integration, and that integration is with Advanced Custom Fields. So let's go back to the Themer template settings page under the integrations tab. Let's disable Wallace Inline. We could keep that activated, but for this purpose, I will deactivate it. And let's enable Advanced Custom Fields. Again, if you do not have Advanced Custom Fields plugin installed, this will not show up. Let's go ahead and save that. And let's go to the Advanced Custom Fields settings pages, and let's open up a field group that I created ahead of time to save some time. It's called Homepage. What we're going to be creating is a simple homepage. So inside here is a field called Slider. It utilizes the gallery field. Heading uses the text field, and a callout section, which is a Advanced Custom Field repeater section. Now let's open up the callout, and inside the callout section or the repeater section is a image, a heading, and a text, which uses the field of image, text, and text area. Now I'm not going to go over how Advanced Custom Fields works, but I encourage you to check it out. It is pretty powerful. I will also be integrating with Pods and MetaBox in the near future. But for right now, Advanced Custom Fields is the plugin that is currently integrated. So this field group will be active for a page template that is equal to homepage. Now this homepage is actually a Themer layout, because we have Themer templates, and it is able to utilize it as a page template. Let's go ahead and open up Themer layouts, and we are going to take a look at that home page layout, and let's launch Beaver Builder. And you're not going to see too much here, but I'm going to give you a really quick rundown of what's going on. So we have a large section here, and if I open that up, it is connected to our Advanced Custom Fields. It is connected to the field of Slider, which I just showed you a moment ago. Let's cancel that. Below that, I have the heading section, which is connected to the Advanced Custom Field of heading. And below that is our callout section, which is a large snippet of code, which will utilize the repeater field. So let's cancel that. Again, this is some advanced stuff for Advanced Custom Fields, but this will make the repeater section work. And it just uses the HTML module, and I just pasted in some generic snippet code. And let's cancel that and publish. Now let's go to, again, ahead of time, I went ahead and created a page called Homepage. Here's our front page. Let's go ahead and view this. And it will be rather blank because there is no content yet. But let's go ahead and open up, let's edit this page. And you can see that it's just our normal edit page, title, some content, your page attributes, which is set to homepage template or the Themer layout. And like I said, because we're using Themer templates, we're able to utilize the homepage Themer layout. We have our featured image section. And below that is our advanced custom field group of homepage, which I showed you a moment ago. And inside that is our slider, our heading, and our callout section, which is the repeater field, which is the image, the heading, and the text. So let's go ahead and add some content. And we're going to keep this simple. So let's just add a couple images here. And let's paste that in. Heading, we're just going to, like I said, keep it really simple. Welcome. Let's add a callout image. Let's add that. And we'll just call this callout 1. And some text. Let's go back to this page real quick. Let's just copy this little snippet here. Let's paste that in. Let's do another image for the callout. We have 3 sections. And callout 2. Let's paste some more snippet in there. Another image. Let's do that one. I'm not sure if I already used that one. Nope. And we'll do callout 3. Some more code snippet. All right, so we have some content. Nothing fancy. We have some slider images, a simple heading, and a callout section, which you'll see how this is styled in a minute. And let's go ahead and update. And once the page reloads, the custom fields will populate with the content we just created. So pretty cool and pretty powerful. So if you want to update this, you can just go back, edit. You can go ahead and change out your images. You can add more, do whatever you want. Let's add that, let's add this, add this. You can change out these, do whatever you want, make your changes, update. And the updates will change. So pretty powerful stuff. Now you also might have noticed, let's say you open this up, you got edit. We're not utilizing this text area here for the home page. We're not utilizing, well, once we have the page template set, we don't need that anymore. Say you have a client that you want to give them access to change the images for the home page slider, or change the images here for the callout section, or change the heading depending on a certain situation. But you don't want them, they don't need to see all this stuff here. Well, Advanced Custom Fields gives you an option to hide these things. So let me show you what that means. So let's cancel this. Let's go back to the dashboard. Let's go back to our custom field section. Let's go to our home page field group. Edit. Now down below, you'll see you can hide on screen. So we can hide the permalink. We don't need that. We can hide the content editor. We don't have excerpt integrated yet. That will be coming. These other sections here aren't quite integrated yet. The page attributes can be hidden. We're not utilizing the featured image. We're not using categories and tags yet. So there's certain sections that we can hide. But for the sake of this purpose, let's go ahead and just toggle all. So we're going to hide all the sections because we don't need anything other than our advanced custom fields. And let's go ahead and update. Now, if we go back to our home page, let's refresh. And we go back up and we go edit. Now, the only thing we're going to see now is our advanced custom fields field group. So pretty awesome, pretty simple, and pretty powerful. This is really great for clients. You can give them access to content that otherwise you would not let them edit within Beaver Builder. So that is just a quick overview of how Advanced Custom Fields integrates with Themer templates at this time. There are a lot more features to point out, and I will be doing other videos to showcase those in the near future once 1.1 is updated and released. Also keep in mind that I will be integrating with MetaBox and Pods plugins as well in the near future. But for 1.1, the advanced custom fields will be integrated. But before I go, I want to point out one last thing. If you go to Themer templates in your settings page, the user access tab, you have the ability to control who can create and edit posts from the front side. Right now, an administrator and editor can create a post, and administrator can edit a post. So if I was to remove myself from being able to create a post, save those changes. Let's go to the front of the site, refresh. Up here in the drop down, the only thing I can do now is edit a post. Now I can add myself back. Now you might be wondering, well, I don't want someone to be able to edit every single page on the site. Well, an update will be coming very soon that will give you the control to give access on a page level situations. In other words, if the only page you want to give access to, let's say an editor, is the home page, well, you'll be able to do that, and you'll be able to lock down the rest of the site. So those are updates that are coming, as well as a lot more cool features to come. So I'm David Labby. I hope you enjoyed this from BeaverPress. This update will be coming out very shortly. I'm hoping within a couple days. Again, I have some more testing to do, but in the meantime, I hope you enjoyed this. If you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me, as well as any feedback. Please let me know, or any features or future features that you want, let me know. And I will see you next time. Thanks again.